Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your data usage on the T-Mobile app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have limited data and you're trying to check your data usage on the app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. And then once you're logged in, there's actually a button that says usage. So go ahead and click on usage. Now from this option here, we have a variety of different options. You could actually go ahead and change the device which you want to see the total data usage for, or you can change it based on the billing period. But for here, for example, you can see that I've used 7.2 gigabytes of data, where the maximum usage was 2 gigabytes on October 8th, and then the minimum usage was 46 megabytes on October 7th. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your data usage on the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.